Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BIOC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but pretty wild movement today. I mean, the price was all the way up here, and then all of a sudden the price closed all the way down there. So I realize I am stating the obvious if you're watching this one trade all day long, but all over the place, and kind of one of those where if you get motion sick, you're probably throwing up all over the place because it was a pretty wild ride. However, when all the dust had settled, overall, the price is still grinding upwards. What do I mean by grinding upwards? I realize that's just in kind of an open-ended statement, but right there, or just trending upwards, meaning that there's been quite a bit of drama, but every time the price has, stopped with the drama, and all the dust has settled, the price is still in this overall uptrend. So yeah, and I should note, let me take a step back. A lot of this has to do with perspective too, meaning if you were some sort of day trader, scalper, and you bought right there, or maybe you bought right there and you wanted to buy and sell within 7 minutes, well then yeah, from that point of view, the chart's looking pretty rough for you. But I'm making these comments more so based on the grand scheme of things. And from the grand scheme of things, yeah, the price is still up above that overall trend. And that's the important part, and that's what you want to see continue to occur going forward. So sure, the price did pull back today from these highs up there, but assuming you care about the grand scheme of it all, the trend is still in the bull's favor. Now, in the event this kind of levels off and then starts to head back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. As far as where the sellers are at right now, initial area of resistance on any sort of bounce back to the upside is going to be right there at about $1.28. If the price can push through $1.28, next key level after that, up there where the party stopped a couple of days ago at $1.35 mark. So overall, very dramatic, very, like I said, motion sickness inducing. However, taking a step back and looking at more than just slices of days, you can see that by combining multiple days, which we're doing here, the price is still in an overall uptrend. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build that or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.